This is just going to be a quick video to show you how to get to and replace, if you need to, the Bluetooth module here. This is also referred to as the Telematics control module on an E93, which is the convertible version of the 3 Series from about 2011 to 2013-ish. Mine's a 2012 model. I've seen some videos on how to get to this on the coupe or on the sedan, but it's different on the convertible because you have a different layout here in the trunk space due to the roof has to be able to fold down into here. So there's 4 bolts, one on each corner. They're all 8mm. To get to the back ones, it's just a simple process of pulling out the tray, the bottom of the trunk, and that simply just lifts out. And then you'll see this view. But you can't access the 2 bolts up at the front unless you remove this panel here. And so to do that, you have to get to, there's a couple of bolts up here in the front. I'll show you how to get to those from the inside. If you lower your top and stop it midway, you can access these 2 pop rivets and this screw in the middle really easily to get those off. Once you get that screw done and the 2 pop rivets out, this plate kind of grips in there with some clips. So you just have to pry this up from here with a tool. Just pry that away, and then this bottom piece that's got the felt on it will pull inward. Alright, after you undo the top row, 2 pop rivets and the screw, down here there's 4 bolts. 1, 2, that one I already took out, 3, and 4. Those are T30 bits. And they come out looking like that. Okay, on the inside, this might be difficult to see, but on the inside there's 2 clips or 2 covers. They look like this, and they're plastic, and they cover these bolts, bolts that look like this. These are 10mm. To get to them, you have to pry off this piece of plastic, the plastic that goes right here. Here's the other one that's nearly on, but you just you stick something really tiny underneath the front and you pry it up. Then it comes off and you can access the bolt underneath. If you don't know how to remove this inner pass-through piece right here, I'll just show you how to do that. You just have to disconnect it from the top by pressing in, let it drop, and then there's a little tab here at the bottom. You pull up on that, it will lift up the front half, and then the whole thing will come out. Once you get the back half of the clamshell off, there's this on the bottom. You can slide that front half of the clamshell out of the way. And then there's this piece of foam here that you can slide out of the way as well. And that will give you access to the front 2 8mm nuts that hold down the Bluetooth module. To get out this 2-wire connection at the front, there's a small little push in right here. So you just push that in and pull out. And then this other ribbon cable back here, there's a push in here, so you push in this way, and then you rotate this green lever out like that.